Okay, I am going to be sharpening my bit here. It's a 4-inch cable rig bit. She's pretty well worn down. You can see it's rounded on these edges here. I've been using this mostly for sand and gravel, so you don't have to have it sharp. But what we want to do is get these out here at an angle. So we'll show you how that's done.
Papa, we can send this video to the whole internet. Or on Facebook.
Now you know you got your fire hot enough. If you look at those little sparks coming out, they sparkle and break apart. That means that your steel is hot enough for sure. You got to be careful because you can actually melt the end of this bit right off because it gets so hot. So just be aware of that. Okay, that's what I mean. You start here in the middle, right here, and you keep beating this and working that, keep beating it from the center, and then work it on the outside. Flip it over, and do the same. That way you're keeping your edge in the middle, and trying to work these out to here, and then you're going to take and knock these in, so you got to get this rounded edge off. You want that squared up. So okay, I'm wasting all my heat here. Okay, how you can see, got my bit hammered out here on the edges. Doesn't fit. So now what I want to do is take and beat these guys, round it off, so this comes to a point right here. So this has an angle like that. So I'll heat it up again, and that's what I'll do next. That's pretty good right there. I'd be pretty happy with that. Square this side up a little better. Tight. Show you what I got here. See how the edges are nice and flat coming out on this side. Coming out on this side, I got a pretty good edge here. Pretty good cutting edge, but when these ends are folded over or wore off crooked like that, they stick in the hole. It won't drill very well. I might work on this one a little bit over here. This one looks pretty good, but that's how you do it. I get this finished up here, then I'll show you how to temper the end. Okay, now when you go to temper the end of this bit, I've got it where I want it now. What you're going to need is a magnet. Right here is an old cowl magnet. You can see when I touch the steel it sticks. Alright, well what you want to do is get this hot enough so it don't stick. Okay, that don't stick at all anymore. That's as hot as you'd like it. So that's really hot. It's melting my gloves. Ooh, hot. Yeah, kind of melting my rubber gloves there. So that's pretty warm, but it doesn't stick. So what we're going to do is I've got this bucket here with an old cap in it, and I'm going to put it on the end over there so it's just in the water, and then we'll temper it that way. I may have to add water to it. I generally don't use a bucket, something a little bigger normally, but we'll get her in there. what you're looking for in this is just to have the very tip, maybe an inch of the tip of that bit. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in there. I know just see all the steam coming up. It's only like 14 degrees today. But that's, may have to add some water to it. So that's pretty much how it's done. I'll sit there and simmer till it cools down, and the tip of it should be tempered really good. Should be hard as a rock. So generally I only drill sand and gravels, but I got to line one off and drill some sandstone. So I figured I better have a nice sharp bit for that, so I could drill a nice 4-inch hole out the bottom. So I hope you learned something. It's a lot of work. I worked up a good sweat doing this today. Like I said, it's about 14 degrees. Out here we just got a bunch more snow, which I get to get rid of now that I'm done with this. So, hope you enjoyed it. We'll talk to you guys later.